Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add payment details such as your card information and scanning your card on the Iberia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home button and click on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on payment details, which is the fourth option. After that, tap on the add button down below in the left side. Select the country of issue, then the card type. Then set the card number, type in the cardholder's name, holder's surname, then select the expiry date. Then the card name should be typed in and tap on the save button down below if you are done with these details, and then it will be saved at this section. However, you have the chance to scan it, so tap on the scan document, select the country or region of issue, then the card type, and tap on the scan button, and then you should scan your card. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.